is Venus Soleil, and I am extremely afraid of the paranormal. I don't like ghosts. They're freaky and they're real. What is good, you guys, and welcome back to another video. Alright, so as you guys can see from the title, this is going to be a video involving blue. Blue is one of my favorite colors. Blue, purple, and green are literally like my favorite colors ever. And I can literally wear, not wear that, but the makeup look, it literally incorporates, you know, blues, purples, or pinks, or I just added pink. Oh my god, I have so many favorite colors. Anyway, as you can see from the title, what we're going to do is just do a look inspired by blue. I did a show the other day at Bow for Big Top Sundays when literally my favorite drag artist of all time, Eva Destruction, was there. Like, that was such a full circle moment for me. Like, to be able to perform with someone that I look up to so much, it's like, blows my mind. So yeah, the looks today is going to be inspired by just the color blue. We're going to use some blues. We're going to incorporate other colors as well, but the main theme of the makeup today is going to be blue. And what I'm going to do for this video, instead of me doing my base, like gluing down my eyebrows and doing my base and stuff on camera, I'm going to do that stuff off camera because that takes a while, and you guys have seen me do my base and cover my eyebrows like plenty of times. Alright, so I have my base done for my makeup. It does have a blue hue because I did use blue to contour. That's like my thing. I'm actually going to go back in a little more powder and like really... You always have to go up, and that's kind of low. My contour should be a little further up. Whatever, it'll all come together later. So, what I want to go ahead and do is start off with the James Charles palette. And I'm going to start off with more of like a burgundy tone. Actually a pink tone. I'm going to start with pink. Shade, I think this shade is called Skip. We're going to skip this all over our covered brow. Hopefully we don't disrupt the glue job that we did. Alright, so now that we have that pink shade blended all over the lid, what we're going to go ahead and do is go in with a blue shade. We're going to blend some blue into this. So we're going to take this color here. Well, you can't really see it, but it's kind of like a purpley blue. Not really a blue, like it has like a purple undertone to it. You'll see when I put it on. We're gonna fluff that right under the pink and blend it into the pink. Cool, so now that we have that blended all over the eye, we're gonna go and we're gonna keep getting deeper with the color. So we went from that really bright light pink color down to like a muted purpley blue. And now we're gonna make the next color darker to create more of a gradient. So I'm gonna choose a different brush, which is like right beside me. This color right here, right into the crease, like it's really like right here. Yeah, I'll just go just like this. Now we're gonna go back to that brush that had the blue, the other blue color, then the purple, and we're gonna just blend everything together. We're gonna soften this line here. Just be careful not to mess up the glue job. You see? And this area in here, we're gonna clean up with concealer, so it's gonna create more shape in just a second. We just wanna kinda get the color down first. Also, now that we have our colors kind of laid down, creating a gradient, and we have it winged out, we're going to go in and start to clean everything up now. So we're going to take some white concealer or a white cream paint or a cream, you know, product, and we're going to start to carve out a new crease. and just repeat the same thing on the other side. Alright you guys, I'm sorry. So now that we have this down, I'm gonna go in with some black right along the crease line at the base of the crease to create more depth in that area. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take this fluffy brush. It's like a crease brush, but it's super small and fluffy, and it's gonna go ahead and blend out that lower, the bottom of that crease. We're just gonna like put it here, and then blend upward. All right, now that we have our black blended down, we're gonna take some more white. We're gonna go ahead and cut the crease again. Now we're gonna take some blue and have some fun. We're gonna take some purple, no, some pink. Cool, so now that the top, this part is, the eyelids are done, I'm gonna go down to the lower lash line and start to blend some cool colors down there. Jeffree Star liquid lipstick, honey. White, we're gonna go ahead and set the white liquid lipstick down. We're gonna take some black now. We're gonna go ahead and redefine the waterline. Our new line down here. So now that my face is like almost done, I'm gonna go ahead and just bake some more. I'm gonna take my Prosade and start to glue some stones around my eyes because we all know I love stones. So I have these lashes on. I have two left lashes, so that's why one looks a little weird, but I made it work for what it's worth. And we have to do some glitter tears because I'm just a glitter tear type of bitch. We're gonna use blue. And then now that we have that down, I'm gonna take some black. I'm gonna put black right in the center. Gorgeous. Now we're gonna do some more fun stuff. We're gonna take some rhinestones. We're gonna layer them around the eye, around the glitter. Now what I'm gonna go ahead and do is pop in some contact lenses and do my lips and add some final touches. Oh my god, I like never learn when it comes to putting my contacts on before I do my makeup. Like I always do. I don't know, I just like putting the contacts in at the end because I feel like it really does the transformation. Like look at my eyes. I look so different and I live for it. My eyes are a little red because, I don't know, they got glitter in them. Oh my god. Kilowatt highlighter to highlight my face. All right, we are all done with the makeup look. So what I'm gonna go ahead and do is throw on a wig and I'll be back with the final transformation. And voila. What's good, you guys? This is the final look. I hope you guys like it. This wig is new. This jacket is new. And yeah, we're killing it. This is actually the same look that I wore for Big Tot Sundays when Eva Destruction was performing. Eva Destruction is like my favorite queen ever, and like I got a chance to perform with her. And this is one of the looks that I did that night. And I was like, yo, this look is kind of dope. Maybe I should record it because I feel like you guys like to see this. I don't ever do cut crease looks. I normally just do like really blended smoky eyes and things like that. But today I kind of want to be like, you know what? No, let's give the children something different. Let's switch it up. And I want you guys this look. I like this hair to the side. It's that I didn't glue it down correctly, so now it's like, ooh, I don't like it. Ooh, bitch. If you guys like this video, of course, go ahead and give this video a huge thumbs up because that definitely helps me out a lot. Also, subscribe to my channel if you guys are not subscribed already. Come on, you guys are watching the videos. Just click the subscribe button. Hello, that way, you know, you'll be notified when I post a new video. Actually, you probably won't be notified if you just subscribe. So I would like you to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and also hit that bell so that you'll be notified every single time I post a new video. You guys can watch it. And also leave some comments. Do you guys like this look? You guys want to see me do more stuff like this? How was your day? What's new? Venus Soleil wants to know. Okay, I'm making a silly mess right now. I'm gonna do some slow-mos for a cool intro, and I will see you guys in the next video. Much love, stay up, stay safe, and be a poppin' ass bitch because you are a poppin' ass bitch. You know what I mean? Because you're poppin'.